Hello everyone, continuing with our unit 2 in the CAD/CAM series. Today I will be taking a lecture on polynomial curves. So till now we have studied various topics in unit 2, that is geometrical modeling and geometrical transformation. So we have studied different curves also. We have studied different types of curves, different types of modelings, and we have differentiated each and every curve with the different figures and equations. So in algebraic curves we have the another kind of characterization, that is a polynomial curve which depends on polynomial equation. So let's start with our new topic, that is polynomial curves. So first of all, what is a polynomial curve? A polynomial curve is a curve that can be parameterized by a polynomial function of the form Rx. Therefore, any polynomial curve is an algebraic curve of degree equal to higher degree of polynomial. What does it mean? We have the general form of the polynomial equation as, say, y equals to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus and so on. So the degree of the polynomial corresponds with the highest coefficient, that is non-zero. What does it mean? This a, b, c and d are the coefficients of this polynomial equation. In this particular equation it is shown, say, a, b, c and d are the coefficients of this polynomial equation. So how to determine the degree of polynomial? It is the highest coefficient, that is non-zero. Say for example, if c is non-zero but coefficient d and higher are all 0. So in this particular equation, if say c is non-zero and rest all higher orders are 0. So what does it mean? It means our equation becomes like y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. So in this particular equation, the polynomial will become is of degree 2. What is this 2? 2 is the highest power of the independent variable. Here independent variable is x. So the non-zero coefficient is c, which has a independent variable, say x, whose power is 2. So the degree becomes the 2. So and in this particular equation, say a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube, here the maximum degree is shown as 3. So it can be elaborated also. So in this particular lecture we will be determining different types of polynomial curve based on the degree. So we will be studying 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree polynomials. So these polynomial curves can be of various types and shapes. The shapes that polynomial can make are as follows. These are of, say, 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. So let's take each one by one. First of all, 0 degree polynomial. The shape that polynomials can make are as follows. We know the general form of the polynomial is y equals to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on. So for 0 degree polynomial, the constant only a is non-zero. Example, y equals to 3. So it is the equation like y equals to a. So this kind of equation shows the 0 degree polynomial, a constant uniquely defined by 1 point. Like for example in this particular figure, so y equals to 3 represents this line which is parallel to the horizontal line x. So 0 order polynomial are the constant straight lines determined by a single point, say y equals to 3. So in y equals to 3, if we draw a polynomial, so here in every case it shows this line. Similarly for 1 degree polynomial, that is degree 1 polynomial, we know the general form of the polynomial, same, y equals to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on. So degree 1 polynomial, yes, very right. Degree 1 polynomial, here the independent variable x has the power 1, that means coefficient b is non-zero. Till b it is non-zero, rest all are 0. So that kind of polynomial equation determines the curve known as 1 degree polynomial curve. So degree 1 means linear and b is highest non-zero coefficient. Example, say y equals to 1 plus 2x, that is the equation of the lines in many cases. Y equals to a plus bx, as in this particular case a line uniquely defined by 2 points. So in this particular case this line represents the curve which is a 1 degree polynomial. It can be inclined at any angle from 0 to 360 degree in xy coordinates. Second is degree 2 polynomial. Now you might be clear with what exactly I want to say. Yes, the general form of the polynomial same as y equals to a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube and so on. So degree 2 is known as the quadratic polynomial equation. So here c is the highest non-zero coefficient. Here c is the highest non-zero coefficient. What does it mean? That we have a polynomial of degree 2. So examples are, say, equation like y equals to 1 plus 2x plus x square. So these are the quadratic equations of the form a plus bx plus cx square. These are the smooth curves of the quadratic form. A parabola is an example of the quadratic algebraic curve uniquely defined by 3 points. And last is our degree 3 polynomial. In this particular lecture we will be restricting ourselves to till degree 3 polynomials. Same as this equation, here the independent variable x has the highest power 3, so it becomes the 3 degree polynomial. Degree 3 are the cubic polynomials. So d is the highest non-zero coefficient, very well clear. So if d is the highest non-zero coefficient, so it becomes the degree 3 polynomial, also known as cubic polynomial curves. Examples are, say, y equals to 1 plus 7x plus 5x square plus 3 by 2 x cube. Any equation of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube equals to y. So the cubic curves which can have any inflections at x equals to 0, in this particular example uniquely defined by 4 points. One thing very important in this particular case, that degree 0 polynomial are defined by 1 point, degree 1 polynomial is determined by 2 points, degree 2 polynomial is determined by 3 points, and this degree 3 polynomial is determined by 4 points. So this is the polynomial curves. Hope you are clear. So the degree 3 polynomial, also known as cubic polynomial, is the one that is most typically chosen for constructing smooth curves in computer graphics. It is used because, first, it is the lowest degree polynomial that can support an inflection. Very, very important that degree 3 polynomials, or sometimes we say that cubic polynomials, can support inflections, so we can make interesting curves, and it is very well behaved numerically. That means that the curve will actually be smooth like this as shown. So the curve drawn will be a smooth curve. Cubic curves are the smooth curves. They are not jumpy like this as it goes with higher order polynomials. So this is very important and effective algebraic equation curve, that is a 3 degree polynomial curve, and it is the maximum used curve. Hope it is clear what is 0 degree polynomial, what is 1 degree polynomial, what is 2 degree polynomial, and what is 3 degree polynomial. Thank you so much. In the next lecture we will be taking another kind of curve, that is the Bezier curve, so which is a synthetic curve, or we can say a smooth curve determined by different data points. So that will be our next topic. Thank you so much.